Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at this circuit breaker finder from KAIWEETS. This was sent to me to review. I did not pay for this. I'm just going to give them an honest review. Normally I promote a different brand circuit breaker finder, but this one looks really nice. Shows a lot of information. Has non-contact voltage detection. You can test your GFCIs. All kinds of stuff. So we're going to open this up and see what we've got in here. First off, it comes in a nice little case. I like that a lot. Be easy to keep up with. And we'll open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so this is a complete kit. It comes with all the attachments that you need to find any 120 volt circuit breaker. So you can screw it into a light, you can put it in a 2-prong outlet, or you can put the alligator clips here on it. It did come with batteries, 2 batteries. I've already put those in to help make this video shorter. The batteries that it came with are Kendall brand, Kendal, and they're actually pretty good batteries. That normally can tell you whether what you bought is any good or not. If it has cheap, crappy batteries, then it's probably a cheap, crappy tool. But if it's got a pretty decent set of batteries, then it's a pretty decent tool probably. And so you put 2 batteries in the back of the transmitter, and you put 2 batteries in the receiver. Now I'm going to take this to an outlet and show you how it works. So I'll be right back with you. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got it plugged into an outlet, the transmitter, and it's reading 118.5 volts, 118.1 volts, 119.3 volts. So the feed going to this particular outlet is a small feed, so that's why it's bouncing up and down a little bit. But I do like that it shows your voltage as it's working, and it says it's wired correctly, and we've got a green light. So this thing is transmitting right now. So to use the receiver, you just hold the power button till it comes on, and now it's scanning. So to make sure it works, I put it down close to the outlet. You can hear it beeping, so it's definitely working. Now we're going to go out to the panel and try to find the breaker. So I'm going to turn this back off, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so now we are at the breaker panel, and we're going to start scanning to see which breaker it is. So first thing, you turn your receiver on, and then you just start at the first breaker and move across them until it starts beeping. So it's beeping right here on this particular breaker. So I'm going to say it's that right 20 amp, because when I slide it to the left it doesn't beep, but when I slide it to the right it does beep. So now we can verify that that's the correct breaker by turning the breaker off and testing it again. So that is the correct breaker. So that's how you use the transmitter and receiver. So now I want to show you the non-contact voltage detection on this. So we'll go back inside and I'll show you how that works. So we are done with the receiver. So all we've got to do is unplug it and then turn it off. So hold the power button and that turns it off. If you were wanting to test a GFCI, all you would do is plug this in and hit the test button, and it should trip the button on the front of the GFCI. Now on our receiver here, you can see it says NCV. That means non-contact voltage. So we're going to turn the receiver on, and then we're going to hit the reset button. We're actually going to hold the reset button for a second until NCV pops up. And as you can see, it shows that there's voltage on this outlet. So all you've got to do is get it close. See back here, no voltage. Up against it, voltage. So that works really good. And if you want to go back to circuit breaker mode, just hold the button again. Now you're back in circuit breaker mode. And in order to turn the light on, all you gotta do is hit the button, hit the power button. So light on, light off. And all in all, guys, this kit's really nice. Again, it comes with anything. So like if you need to find the breaker for a light, or if you need to know how to find the circuit breaker for a light, you can simply just screw this in to the light, plug this into that adapter, and then just plug your transmitter right into that adapter, and that's it. If you need to find the circuit breaker for a light switch, you'll clip your red wire on one side, your black wire on the other side, and then plug your transmitter in here, and you can find the circuit for a light switch. So everything you need is included in this kit, and I love that it comes with a nice little carrying case. So I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can get this. It's cheaper than the one that I normally promote, and it has more features. So this is going to be my new favorite circuit breaker finder, and again, this is from a company named KAIWEETS. I'm pretty sure is how you pronounce that. All in all, it seems to be a good product. I like it a lot. KAIWEETS, you guys are doing a great job, and I hope this helps out some of you electricians or journeymen or apprentices, or maybe even some homeowners. If you want to label your panel, this will be a great thing to use this for. If you don't know what breakers in your house go to what, you can literally take this kit and go through each circuit in your house, and you can track them all the way back to the panel, and you can correctly label your panel. So anything you might need to find a breaker for, this is going to be able to do, and it's cheaper than the brand that I normally promote, and it has more features. So I like this a lot. Hopefully y'all have enjoyed this video, and be sure to check the description for a link to this product. I also have a special discount code that will be down in the description as well. And if you haven't, go down here and hit the subscribe button. It's the best way to make sure you don't miss any of our videos in the future, and it also helps our channel out. Give us a like on this video so that more people can find this tool, and leave us a comment. Let us know, do you have this tool? Have you ever used KAIWEETS? Let us know what you think about it. Great tool, great kit. I like the packaging. All in all, awesome job, KAIWEETS. Thank you very much, and y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.